Hello everybody. In this video I will show you or teach you about .NET and introduce you to it. So what will be the first question that will come to your mind if you don't know anything about .NET and you want to know something about it? It will be, what is .NET and why do we need it? .NET is basically a platform, a programming platform where we can create applications, right? And why do we need it? The answer is obviously we need it to create applications. Applications like Windows applications, web applications, and games. Much more. So, I've created a PowerPoint presentation for you to get a better understanding of how the .NET program will get executed. Okay, so that is our third question. Okay, so this is the presentation that I've created for you to get a better understanding about .NET. Okay, so here I'm gonna concentrate on C#, okay? There are even Visual Basics, F#, and more. So these are the four main languages in the .NET framework. They are C#, Visual Basics, C++, and F#. So when you write in the code, what do you think? Will it be understood by the computer? The answer is basically no. The computer only understands binaries. Binaries are zeros and ones. Okay, so for example, you write in some code, okay? Some code that goes to the .NET framework. So as I said, I'll be concentrating on C#. So depending on which language or which coding language you use, the compiler of the language comes into play. So I will be, for example, you're using C#, so the C# compiler comes into play. So from the real code, when you type in, the C# compiler converts that code to Microsoft Intermediate Language, that is MSIL. And we can view the MSIL in assemblies or DLLs. The full form of DLL is basically Dynamic Link Library. Okay. Then CLR, Common Language Runtime, comes into play. So the main duty of CLR is to convert the MSIL to native machine or binary code by using the JIT compiler, that is a just-in-time compiler. Okay? So when the MSIL is converted to native machine or binary code, that is understood by the operating system. So then the cycle keeps on going. Okay, so you type in the code, the cycle keeps going and going, just like that. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more. Goodbye till the next video.